Ka Ophis Dean of Students Welfare DSW Northeastern Hill University Shillong haka tarik Risaw kala Pynlong Iakhun Prokram shi-sngi halor ka phang Drug Abuse Prevention ha Golden Jubilee Mini Auditorium NEHU Shillong. Habakran hakani ka sngi kumu Kongsan u Dr. Thokchom Radheshyam Singh u laong ka donkam ki Samla lyngba ka pule puthi bakin tip kaei ka sniew bat kano ka babaha. Pila abandai u briew u banang bastad hynrei lada phimla abandon ka jingsngew phimla abane khun persha yakini ki jing'e. Ula kentu ki Samla pule ban pule kon let chayeng mane long paralok pat ki balahe alasan. Ula keliru balai ki briew ki ngop haudrok balai ki briew ki mare shaudrok ngayo jingtip hadien banga pule kot halor kini ki ngan pasat ki shapi ka jingem kadai kalenti man la uwei pa uwei u haban sedang ban yaj yakani kalenti da ka sedang na ka ju ka jing sedang bat kalenti ru kalong kumju bat ka jingkut ru kadai kaju ula banrap ru da ka baong man la uwei pa uwei un sa temen man la uwei pa uwei un yo jingpang na ka wei shaka wei pat kapor kat ba phidang san amdon uwei ru ubamdon jing'e ha ka jingem kini kidai ki jing'e ki bang Iakhun do ha ka lenti jong ka jingem jongi shu ula ong ngidei banlong ki bala penkre yakini ki jing'e ha ka lenti ya jongi hakani ka sngi la don lang ru u VC ka NEHU Professor PS Shukla u ADC East Khasi Hills District ba ar walang pat ki riurang ba.
Water plants in a proper way, everything is inside. Don't look for success, happiness outside, look inside. So wherever you are being educated, made aware on any topic, listen carefully. Don't hear, listen. Hearing and listening are two different things. When you listen, intention is there. And you develop relationship and also you learn. When you simply hear, you don't develop relationship, you don't learn anything, it all goes out this side or this side. So my request would be, you are young people, you have long way to go, you can do wonders. If A has done so many things, B can also do. Everything is inside you. Learn as much as possible. Learning knowledge without culture, without discipline is very dangerous. In the university, I've learned about this university. Many things are happening on development of skill. Then ज्ञान के साथ साथ संस्कार, knowledge along with the culture, discipline, and also educating, giving food to your soul is very, very important. I'm repeating again. So what in education, as we grow older, how do we educate our body? We educate ourselves, we educate our body, we also educate our mind, we also educate our soul. Then you become a happy, successful man, woman, or a person. I think many people knows about IQ. Many people do not know about EQ. Many people do not know about SQ. IQ is all about intelligence. That is your mind and body. EQ is all about your heart. And SQ is all about your soul. You may be intelligent, but if you don't have emotions, if you cannot control your emotions, you can never be happy, you can never be successful. So how you can balance your emotions should be included in your education. You should read good books. You should be in company with learned people, good professors, guides, mentors, and friends. Then you should also go to church, masjid, and mandir. देखिए, the hospitals are for treatment of your body. Temples and churches are for treatment of your mind and your soul. You don't get prescription in the hospital for your soul. You get it only in the church, in the mandir, in the mosque. So as a student, because we have not been told, we have not been educated, we have not been mentored by our seniors, by our parents. They were ignorant. That is why we had to encounter the problems. There will be nobody who is not going to die here. There is nobody who doesn't have a problem. And is there anybody who, when he or she was born, born with problems? Is there anybody? When you go, whether we'll go with a problem? I don't think. We did not bring anything, not even the problems. When we go also, we'll not take even anything, not the problems. Whatever we get it here. Whatever we created, we get. Whatever we created, we got, we have to leave it here. So don't worry, be happy, always smile, be positive, don't be negative. Don't mix up with negative people. Related, these are related. Why people are becoming drug addicts? Why people run after drugs? It is because of these things. So, mind you, I'm telling you, after reading books, after meeting people only, I educate myself, but at the fake end of life. I'm crying every night, every morning. Had I got this knowledge, I would have helped so many people. I would have facilitated so many young people. But very late, so I'm sharing it. Life is a race, is a journey. Everyone has to go, undertake this journey. Starting point, same. End point, same. Route, same. But things you are going to meet also the same. All ages, number one. There will not be anyone who is not going to grow old here. Everyone is going to grow old. Number two, everybody is going to suffer from one disease or another. Headache, hoga, garden darat, kidney problem, indigestion, some problem as you grow. There will be nobody who will not have a disease. Third, there will be no one who will not have a problem. So old age, problem and disease. These are three major things which we will encounter during our journey. When you manage this properly, then you lead a successful, happy life. If you cannot manage, you may be popular, you may be famous, you may be rich. See, again I'm coming back. Elvis Presley, he took drugs. Very popular, very rich, very handsome. Because he ran after only those things. He did not know what is life, what he was supposed to encounter. He did not prepare. So you have to prepare yourself to undertake this journey. You cannot run away. You cannot escape. People who are escaping, running away because they are not aware, they don't get help, they are not mentored, they are not being looked after properly, they become drug addicts. Even in America, USA is the highest. People are coming from America, USSR, England, and going to Himalayas, going to Rishikesh, Haridwar. Because in spite of having everything, in spite of enjoying all the pleasures of life, they have a feeling that they don't get anything, they don't enjoy anything, they don't have anything. That feeling you should not have. And people who already have, they are on the way to becoming drug addicts. So you should prepare, fully equipped through this today's program function, and you should become the solution. And I wish you all the best so that you become all the wonderful heroes who are going to solve and give solution to all the problems in the Northeast, in India, in the world. With these few words, I once more thank the